So what's up, gang? I'm back out here with the 96 OBS, Betty White. Some of the things I want to get done today is I need to take the grill out, the surrounds off, and when I install these headlights, I didn't pay attention. I was just excited to get them bitches in there, but it's just gapped up. So I gotta fix that. And then after I do that, I want to detail my engine bay. I bought some chemicals, some brushes. I'm gonna soak it with some dial soap and some water and then start scrubbing it with these brushes to get all this grime off, because all this plastic, all the rubber. And then I'm gonna go back with some Back to Black and clean it up real nice and see what I can do with it. So yeah, I gave up on that real quick. I took everything out, but I cannot pull the clips off with my right shoulder. That's my strong hand. I gotta actually have surgery on my rotator cuff next week. So I gave up on that. So if anybody's in the Jacksonville, Florida area and you want to help a brother out, that'd be greatly appreciated. But I was able to adjust my beams. Apparently I installed these motherfuckers in wrong. So a little Google, figured it out. But now I'm about to soak it with some hot water and a little bit of palm olive. And I'm gonna spray everything down and then go over it with a brush. I have another brush to get in the small places, but I just want to clean this up as much as possible. And then once it dries, I'm probably going to hit it with the shop vac or the leaf blower. And then I'm going to put Back to Black Restore on all the hoses, plastics, stuff like that. I need to make a video showing you what's going in here, but that'll be in a week or so. So yeah, stay tuned. So there's a half-ass clean rag. There's a dirty rag. But got pretty much everything wiped down. Now I'm about to go back over it with the Back to Black plastic. So see if that works. If it does, shout out to YouTube. If not, fuck you. So there's no sense of putting that ugly ass battery tray back into a clean engine bay, so I'm going to scuff it up and paint it black. So some water, some dish detergent, some elbow grease, some Back to Black Magic plastic and trim restore. This thing looks like money. I think I'm gonna take a heat gun to this right here and try to get it to come back to life, because it still kind of looks like shit. But that's where the battery tray goes. Let's go paint it. So I meant to do a snap of this yesterday, but I detailed the teetotal shit out of my engine bay. Got everything back to black, rehydrated all the plastic, radiator hoses, took out the battery tray, cleaned it, sprayed it gloss black so it's no longer rusty. I may try to get that somehow out, repaint it black, but yeah, came out way better than I expected. But off to breakfast.